What's up, gang, man? It's your boy Boss Truck BJ, man. Listen, I'm gonna show you the ups, the downs, the happy, the sad, in and out, all this shit. First of all, if you under the age of 18, log off. This video right here ain't for you. For everybody else, let's go ahead and dive into it. So my insurance company, when I first signed up, I was getting a hassle on being able to find insurance. So yes, like everybody else, I went with the cheapest insurance company, not knowing that it'd come back and bite me in the ass. I couldn't get insurance for cheaper than $2,000 a month. I found a company, $1,800 a month. Cool. I'm cool with it. The first 2 months, everything was good. Later on, I started noticing that if I had a question from my insurance company, that it was starting to take them 4 and 5 days to respond. Now it's to a point where I have this company that I've been trying to get on with for the last 3 months. They gave me an opportunity in the beginning. I blew the opportunity because I took too long to fulfill the list that I needed to submit to them in order to start working, up under them. So I blew that contract. Totally my fault. In the beginning stage, I'm trying to make money and I'm running out of time. I'm thinking I have forever to get shit done. Reaching out to the lady, she's not responding after I get everything completed on the list. And she finally responded 2 weeks later. She said, look, you missed the deadline. She was like, they didn't really want to work with you because you were new. She was like, but there was a window and we needed somebody bad, urgently. So I reached out to you. She said, but you was too late. So now, 3 months later, the same HR lady come back around like, hey, are you still interested? You fucking right I am. So we get the ball rolling. She give me the whole list again. It takes like a week and a half between she and I, right? It wasn't my fault this time that it took a week and a half. But it took a week and a half getting everything she needed. We got it done. She said, oh, we finally got it done. Whew, I'm laughing. We both laugh because we're going through some things. She said, hey, would you like to go ahead and do the orientation? I say, sure, let's do it now. It's over the phone. We do the orientation. And she say, at the end of the phone call, she say, only thing I need from you now is to have your insurance company make our company the lien holder on your certificate, just in case anything happen while I'm running, loads for them or whatever. I reach out to, I have a default email from my insurance company that anytime I need to make a company, the lien holder or whatever on the certificate, they automatically do it like this. I don't have to talk to nobody. I just send an email. I did that this time. But this time, the company write back the default email some kind of way right back and say, I forwarded this to your agent because it may be additional fees that you need to pay. I done this shit so many times. So I don't know if this company is going out of business. I don't know what's going on. So I'm reaching out to the agent. The agent is not responding like usual. No response. Only time he ever write me, because we got a little text message thing. Only time he ever write me is if the payment is 1 or 2 days past due. Hey, I'm just letting you know your payment is past due. I'm like, okay, I'll be on it as soon as I get home tomorrow. I guess that's a default because he don't write back then. So long story short, I hit the agent up. I email the agent. He don't respond. I go back to the default email and say, hey, what's going on? The agent is not responding or whatever, and I need this done. What's going on, boss?
You got that cocaine and all the stuff?
Yeah, you say cocaine.
Cocaine.
Oh, cocaine. Oh, I thought you said cocaine. No, I ain't got no cocaine on here, man.
No, that's not what I got.
Hey, man, I mean, y'all, the content. Shit, we can get this money. Yeah, you want me to park over there?
Yeah, back up, but like after the truck, the last cottage is ours. The small one all the way over there.
Okay.
Get through here.
So when that truck leaves,
Actually, I think you can go around over there.
you think I can go around where that car just came out? Is it enough room for my big truck? I don't want to get there and have to back up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you want me to wait on that truck to move?
I mean, my car, he gotta move out of the way as soon as you go, I guess.
When he move out the way, I'll go through there.
All right.
Okay. Shit, I need money. He want to sell cocaine. Let's fucking sell cocaine. Shit. At this point, they know the cartels and shit. Let's get paid. But hey, man, look, that's another. Y'all disregard that part. Hey, listen. So I reached back out to that default email. This bitch hit me with the same message. Oh well, I'm referring it back to the agent. So I'm like, I need help. So this on a Wednesday. So 3 days later, nothing happened. So Monday come, y'all. Yesterday. How about my fucking HR, the lady who's trying to put me on, how about she reaches out and she's to my insurance and another lady from my insurance company, and she say, hey, what's going on with this? When y'all go? I'm like, damn, I ain't never seen like an HR person reach out like that. So I'm like, now I'm mad. I'm like, yo, what is going on? So what I do, y'all, is I Google every I Google North Country Insurance. You know, that's what it is. And I Google like different departments, because what I was gonna do is CC everybody on the email, but it's giving phone numbers. Hey, for direct contact, for emergencies, contact this number. I was contacting all the numbers, y'all. It was leading back to the same voicemail that have me on hold every time I call. All the numbers go back to the one line. All numbers tied into one line. I say, man, y'all gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Y'all gotta be kidding. So I'm not getting no up. So now I don't know if the lady done pulled back out again. You know, I think it's a possibility. I ain't even reached back out to her, y'all. I'm gonna do it today. But what the fuck am I gonna say? Hey, I still ain't heard from my insurance company. They're now taking food out of my fucking mouth. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got to get the hell up off the load board. The load board is not where the money is. You know, these companies is what's gonna pay y'all. We not talking $2 a mile. We not talking that. We're talking more like $3. You know what I'm saying? $3.50. There's a lot of money to be made. You know, I'm now doing a load that's 20 minutes up the street. I ain't using no fuel, and it paid me $181. You understand what I'm saying? So it's shit like that. Oh man. So it's things like that, man, that you know, that get us off the load board, man, and make us money. Now, another company that I've been trying to get with, they also hit me up and say, hey, are you still interested? I say, yes, I'm happy. She also sent me an email saying, this is what I need. I say, damn, this is the same thing now I'm finna go through the same thing. So now I'm at a point where I can possibly lose 2 contracts behind my insurance company. 2 fucking contracts, dog. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, the people that's supposed to help you are now against you. You know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. And not to mention, OTR, I'm finna get on their ass too. That's my factoring company. Let me activate the lift gate so I can bring everything. Oh, you want to use the fork?
No, that's not ours.
Oh.
I wish, but it's not.
So how we go? Okay, maybe.
We gotta do it by hand, one by one.
Oh, it's going in the Connex?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if the pallet jack and roll it. See if I can roll it to the. You don't think I don't think so either, but.
I mean, if you gotta go, just leave the shit over here.
Yeah, let's try. We'll see.
As long as you can put it like right over here so you can back out, you know, so you can go.
Okay.
Because we got time, but I don't know how you are. You know?
Yeah, I gotta go. Y'all got time, huh?
Hell yeah.
I know that's fucking right. Yes, sir. So OTR, y'all, they've been charging me a fucking $25 fee every time I submit an invoice. They didn't do that in the beginning, but all of a sudden I noticed like the last 2 months, I'm like, damn, they high as fuck. But you get so busy with what you're doing till you don't really have time to sit there and try to calculate everything. But that's what ended up happening. So they end up charging me. So now I gotta talk to them like, hey, what y'all doing? Oh, you're signed up for a boat something. I say, man, I ain't never signed up for that shit. Y'all ain't never did that before. So they was like, well, we can sign you up for the regular thing or whatever. Hold on. So like we can sign you up for the regular ACH or whatever. So I'm like, what about all this money y'all been taking from me? $25 an invoice. You know, I've been an invoice I submitted. You know what I'm saying? So they been shitting me too. So it's like everybody that's supposed to be on your team, they want to take. Like, this is not a big ass multi-million-dollar company yet. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, what the fuck? Like, everybody wants something. So it's just like, we gotta be all the way careful on everything that we do, y'all. So whenever you pick your insurance company, don't worry about going for the cheapest rate. Worry about who's gonna respond and got good customer service for real. This motherfucker here is heavy, y'all. Hold on, guys. Yep. I'm not. I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
We can hold that little bit over here, just.
I can go up a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. Somebody.
We hold it here. We're just gonna wash up.
No, let it a little bit. Go forward a little bit. Let it go. That's good. All right. Somebody come over here and press this button for me. There's a button. Let's see.
Hold it all the way down.
Inside. The button is on the inside, right there. Down. It's a switch.
Where's your phone?
Oh, I'm good. That's good. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You're gonna go like a sideways. Watch out. Quítese ahí, quítese
Uh-oh. Nope.
Just go down with it, fácil.
Fuck.
Agarraste quieto, ¿no? No.
Hang on, guys.
Fuck it, we're gonna do this by hand and then we gotta wait for the order.
That's cool.
Dale.
Probably gotta do it by hand anyway.
Yeah, but I need to get out of your way.
I know. I ain't rushing, man. I'm just like y'all right now. I'm waiting on the next load.
Oh, shit.
So, basically, what I was saying is, just be careful of the company that you select for factoring to. OTR very popular. It's everybody go to, but their customer service also suck. It takes forever to get an LOR. You know what I'm saying? LOR is a letter release. So if you run into a company that OTR don't factor through and they say not approved, that don't mean that the company won't pay you. It just means that OTR don't, you know, they not doing business with them, but they may be good on 10 other platforms or something. You understand what I'm saying? So I have done business with 4 different brokers, maybe 5, that OTR don't factor with, and they paid me out, right? And they paid me out quick pay, and their fees were cheaper than OTR, right? But anyway, and I did have an issue with one of them. They were saying, oh, we never got the LOR, and then OTR, like, we sent it to that email address. So then I started CCing that company and OTR. I started grouping them together. Okay, who's fucking lying? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I still end up getting paid through that company. So just be careful of the insurance company. Be careful of who you're doing business with. Make sure everyone that you talk to have great customer service, or good customer service. At least they'll pick up a phone. Man, I call my insurance company right now. You're going to wait on hold, and it's just hold music. They're never coming to the phone. I hold for 2 hours one day. Forgot that I was on hold with my headset on, and they just never came to the phone. And every time I call, they don't come to the phone. I'm thinking about now trying to get a lawyer. I don't know what it is I need to do. But this is not like auto insurance where you can just switch companies and, you know, maybe pay $100 or $200 just to, you know, have a different policy. We spend thousands of dollars for insurance. So there is no way in hell that I can just say, okay, I'll just go somewhere else. Man, I'm not finna go nowhere else and put down $5,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't make sense. So what do we do? Like, what do we do in these situations where we get these insurance companies that are costing us our jobs? And then at the end of the day, and that are costing us these contracts. And then at the end of the day, man, if you don't pay them, you just ain't gonna have a fucking authority. So they got you by the balls. Like, it gotta be a way, man. This is the ugly right now. I selected this company based off the rate that I got. I was happy with, the $1,800 a month. But now, man, should I have paid $2,000? Should I went ahead and paid $2,200? Cause I'm missing out on money that I probably could have made the difference of, what I'm paying per month, 18 versus maybe 2,000 or 2,200. I probably could have made that in a day. You know what I'm saying? Like, so is it worth going cheap? Because just like this load that I'm on right now, man, literally 20 minutes from pickup. I picked this up 20 minutes. So what kind of fuel am I wasting? It's like free money, $181. So stuff like that can even make up the difference, man. So we got to get off that load board, man. And we got to work with, damn, this video is too fucking long. Hey, man, Boss Truck BJ, I'm mad. I would sit here and talk y'all head off about the truth, about how this shit really go, about the problems that people face and all kind of shit. But I got to go now. It's getting too long, and that wasn't my intentions. But at least I can give you guys some content. Got my boys. Like I said, yesterday, not on the load board, I made $530. I only worked for 3 hours. I drove an hour and a half somewhere and like an hour and a half back. Made $530, cleared $530. No factoring fees, no none of that shit. Direct deposit, $530. You know what I'm saying? So, nothing against you $1,000 a day makers and all that good stuff, but I was local, couple hours, $530. This is the type of shit that you get outside of the load board. The more you work outside of the load board, the fatter your pockets are gonna become, man. This it's just crazy money out here, but you do gotta hustle. Ain't shit gonna come to you just because you bought a truck. Ain't shit gonna come to you just because you got an MC. Your truck will be sitting in the yard, and your MC will be sitting on the board with the USDOT or however that shit is, and you won't be making no money until you get out here and find out how to make money. All right, but anyway, man, it's your boy Box Truck BJ, man. Like, subscribe, bell for all my notifications, all of that good stuff. But man, stay blessed, keep trucking.